I came across this company valued at $20 million and was funded by Y Combinator, which is one of the world's best investors. They are taking large amount of documents and processing all those thousands of documents, categorizing them, whether there is a resume, it is a invoice, extracting all the data and processing it in their databases. Now OpenAI just released their AI agent, which can do all of that within 5 to 10 minutes. So in this video, we will create the same document processing AI agent with a slight twist. So let's jump right into it. So this is the final agent we will create. We will start the agent. It will classify whether it's an invoice or a resume. And if it is an invoice, it will create something and present the data in this kind of a format. If it is a resume, it will present everything into this kind of a format. So I will be using some dummy data. So all you need to do is go to platform.openai.com, go to the build agents and agent builder and open this agent builder. Now create a new workflow by clicking here and you will land on this screen. So there are a lot of different tools on the left and you can drag and drop. So let's start with the classification. So we need to classify, let's name it classifier. We need to classify what kind of data is this. So I have already created everything, all the prompts and everything. I will add it in the link in the description. So just for classifier, paste this. So you are an helpful assistant, classify whether it's an invoice, resume or other. You just need to do this, nothing else, okay? In the output format, I want a very specific format. So I will choose JSON. And now I can just add schema. So schema is nothing but definition of the format, nothing else. It's a very simple thing. So just let's name the output as classified data, classified, okay? And the property, it can, so enum is specific, like we need to specify if we choose enum as, these are different types of string, numbers, boolean, which is true and false. Enum, which means I need some specific values. Okay, that's easy to understand. So I need either invoice, press enter, or resume, press enter, or other. That's it. Okay, so this is my final output format. Okay, now I need a classification, if else. So if, is it a resume? If it's a invoice, or I think other is other. So let's just connect these two. If it is a resume, what I want is this classified output equals resume. That's the text, right? Why we are writing this? Because it will classify whether it's an invoice or a resume and give the format as invoice or resume or other. Okay, so this is a classified text equals CV. Classified output equals invoice. There was something wrong in this. So classified output equals resume. Okay, perfect. So if it is a resume, I need to create a different agent. If it is an invoice, a different one, and if it's new node, a different thing. So if it's a resume, I want to call another agent. Okay, I will just name it resume agent. Okay, and in this resume agent, I have already created the prompt. So what it is doing is, it will take, if it is a resume, it will give a funny, uplifting bro kind of vibe, which is not so serious. So it will give me a very interesting way, a widget and everything. So I'll show you. So output, this time we will, instead of text or JSON, let's try something new. Let's try widget. So widget is nothing but where you can actually create amazing tools. So ChatGPT or OpenAI has released this widget gallery where you can create these kind of widgets which can be used to display some information, right? So I have already created an invoice agent. I will just, so once you create the agent over here, you can download it. And once you download, you can upload it. Resume widget. All right. So this is a fake name and everything. All right. So whatever output comes of this bro doc, it will come in this format. And it will tell like my bro doesn't chase models, he engineers outcomes, ITB, like whatever it is. All right. So we will go with this. You can create your own funny little agents as well. Let's create the invoice agent now. So invoice, and let's just find this. You are this. This is the prompt. It's as simple as this. Just include the widget, voice card widget, which looks like this, and done. And if nothing works, then just end. All right. So this is it. That's it. You can just preview it. So let's upload, let's say a sample invoice. Upload it and just send it. So it will show you what it is doing. It is first classifying things. So now, as you see, it can take any random piece of photograph, information, or whatever it is. It can figure out whether it's an invoice or a resume or something else, whatever you want to code. And it can give you, the AI agent will now create an invoice, create a widget, create not just a text output, but something which is beautiful, something which you might appreciate. Like, hey, this invoice says $440 is remaining, right? So we can just check whether that's correct. See, so the total was $440, and that has come here. $440. My bro Richard settle $440 now. Clean, execute, brand stays hot, pay and flex. Right now, if I upload the same place, if I upload a resume sample of another person called Richard, and coincidentally the names are same, then it will again go through the same system. Right now it's classifying. See, once it has classified the information, going through this, right, you will see what it does next. See, it is reasoning. It found that, hey, this is a resume. So instead of going to invoice agent, it went to resume agent now. And there can be different agents, one for parsing legal docs, and you can choose different AI models, different fine-tuned models. You can go into as much depth as you can. And it goes through all the things, finds out the crux of the data, and puts it over here. So Richard Sanders, marketing manager with agency chops, led brand strategy budget, vouching my bro Richard, clean marketing manager who runs campaigns and teams. Quick chat. So this is something like which you can send on WhatsApp. And this is the summary of why this bro should be hired. So my bro owns the marketing lane, ran strategy, budgets, blah, 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 blah. He ships plans, mentors squads, and keeps brand tight across flywheel channels. So it's just a funny little thing. It has some improvements and whatnot. So I hope you really enjoyed this very, very, very quick tutorial on how to get started with your own AI agent using the OpenAI agent builder. So hope you liked it. If you do, please like the video. It will really help me a lot. Thank you so much. See you next time.